Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Twitter Mail full guide. Open the Twitter app or website and sign into your account, then navigate to Settings and Privacy, choose Account, and select Email to begin the change. Enter your new email address carefully, watch for a verification code sent to that address, and confirm it promptly to complete the update and keep your account secure. In this video, I will show how to change Twitter Mail full guide. Check the account page to confirm your current email and ensure it can receive messages, because Twitter often sends a verification code for changes. If you cannot access that email, add or confirm a phone number to receive codes, then remove the old email once the new one is verified to maintain account control and prevent lockouts. In this video, I will show how to change Twitter Mail full guide. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep food fresh and avoid spills during commute or travel, which pairs nicely with sorting inboxes and organizing account recovery info. If you found this useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and extra deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change Twitter Mail full guide. Go to Email in Account Settings, type the new address, and save the change. Twitter will send a verification message to that address. Open the message, get the code or click the confirmation link, and return to the app or website to complete verification. After confirmation, review recovery options and enable two-factor authentication to add another layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.